Hi there, I'm Ben Selwyn, Automotive Account Director at ACA Research, and I'm very pleased to announce the launch of our 2018 Household Fleet Insights Report. This research, based on 2,277 Australian consumers, provides us with granular detail into the makeup of the family fleet, covering vehicle acquisition, finance, usage, maintenance, and brand perceptions. It also looks to the future, exploring the changing nature of personal mobility, attitudes towards electric and autonomous vehicles, and consumer trust in different industry stakeholders as we move into an era of connected cars. Those of you who attended the 2018 Future Vehicles Summit would have got a glimpse of some preliminary findings from the research. But for more information now and the complete report, please visit www.acaresearch.com.au/HFI.